today's the day. Today's the day that I get a bisphosphonate infusion. And today I will be getting the infusion of an experimental drug that I have never had before. So I'm a little bit nervous and shaky and just like, my energy's all over the place. In other news, my boyfriend decided to break up with me, and I'm not entirely sure why. So, you know, I could use the prayers for that too. And it's been hard to kind of like be on my own again, but I think that the breakup probably needed to happen. But in unfortunate news, it happened. So we'd been together for 9 months, and actually almost 10 months, and we'd had a really great time together, so I will definitely miss him. So in preparation for the procedure today, I get to drink lots of water and a little bit of juice to keep my blood sugar up, and we'll see how things go. So I will see you guys in the procedure. Got my IV in, and we're just chilling here. It's really weird to be conscious the entire time because I'm so used to ketamine where it has such up and down and woo, woo, woo. And you know, you feel all like oi, 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 oi in the head. And like I feel fine, and I've just been chilling here for like 2-ish hours almost, and got about 2 more hours to go, so we're about halfway through. So far so good. We're just hoping that it helps and keeping those prayers going, and all we can do is to make sure that it works. So yeah, thank you, prayers appreciated. Today is the day after the treatment, infusion of nitrogenate, and today I woke up in so much pain. Holy cow, it was bananas, absolute bananas. But like my entire body was just in pain, and fortunately that has passed now, and so I'm not in too much pain now. I got my blood drawn today. See, I have a bandage on my arm to check my calcium and vitamin D levels. I did say it could take a few days until I see the results or the relief that I'm hoping for, so I keep hoping that things are gonna get better and I'm gonna be in less pain and be able to wear my prosthetic. Today it's been 3 days since the treatment, and so far I have yet to have relief, unfortunately. Now, this doesn't mean it's the end of hope for me. I still have little nubbins here that wants to get into the prosthetic, and I'm having trouble getting into the prosthetic. That doesn't mean I will never get into the prosthetic again. It just means that things are going to be slower than we thought, and the doctor did say that it could take a second infusion. Here we are doing infusion number 2. We'll see how things go and how I respond to it, and we're just hoping that I respond to the second one a little bit better than the first, and that I just needed more medicine in me. Today is the day after my second treatment, and how am I doing today? Today I am doing actually better. I was able to drive to my dentist appointment this morning, and I was able to go up to the temple grounds today, and so I was able to get out and drive for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, which was fantastic and amazing. That was the first time I've been able to do that in probably like a good month or 2, so I'm really happy with that result. And I'm hoping for the best and that we get better results than we did even today. The next treatment is probably going to take place in a couple weeks, so I will keep you guys updated on that as well. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!